Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the virtual classes for the session 2020 and 21 from Qaid-e-Azam Rangers School and College, Nazmabad campus. This is Miss Madiha Khalid, your teacher for subject physics, and today we are going to conduct a lecture about the topic rest and motion. By the end of this lecture, you all will be able to differentiate between the state of rest and motion, and you can categorize motion of different objects in different types. Students, rest is the condition of a body in which the body doesn't move with respect to its surrounding, while the condition of a body in which it moves with respect to its surrounding is the state of motion. Here the word surrounding is very important. Actually, rest or motion is comparison between the states of more than one body. Confused? Let's have a look on this example. Here you can see a bus and 4 passengers while they are sitting peacefully in the bus. If we compare the state of each passenger with other, so we will say that they all are in the state of rest. Remember, we are talking about the surrounding, which is inside the bus, right? But if there is a man sitting outside the bus, so now we are going to compare the passengers inside the bus and the state of that man sitting outside the bus. So in this comparison, the man will be in the rest while the passengers moving with the bus are in motion. So here you can see that we are comparing the state of two different surroundings. Let me clear with another example. We are very familiar with that. We have 8 planets in this universe, and we are living in a planet known as Earth, which is the 3rd planet of this planet series. All the planets are moving, revolving around the sun continuously from thousands of years, right? But within the earth, we can't see this. For the overview look of this universe, of our galaxy, all the planets are moving. It means we also are moving with the earth, but whenever we have the comparison of our earth with other planets, we will say that we are in motion. But inside the earth, we do not say that. So here we have a comparison between different planets. So while talking about the universe, so we are in motion with the earth, but inside the earth we do not talk like that. We do not say that we are moving. Instead, we used to say that sun is setting or sun is rising. So, clear that the motion and rest are actually the comparison of two states of more than two bodies. Here we have three types of motion basically: linear or translatory motion, rotatory motion, and vibratory motion. What is linear motion? It is the motion in one dimension along a straight path or with uniform velocity. Here we can say that the linear motion can be defined in two ways. If a body is moving in a straight line, so we can say that it is in linear motion, while a body is moving with uniform velocity and not changing its velocity with variable values, so it means the motion of the body is linear. In this type of motion, every particle, every point, every part of the body moves in same amount, displaces in same amount. The example for this can be a bicycle rider with a straight line motion. Another example, the motion of a car in a straight road or a straight path without changing the velocity. The next type of motion is rotatory motion. It is the motion in which body fixes itself for a point and move about that fixed axis. For example, the motion of a fan. A fan wings are fixed with a rim and rim moving about a fixed axis. So the wings also moves about that fixed axis. Another example for rotatory motion is the rotatory motion of Earth, due to which our Earth changes the day and night. Let me clear here one thing. Sun does not move, actually Earth moves. In the same time, Earth has two motion. One is linear motion, which is revolution of Earth around Sun like other planets, and rotatory motion, which is the second motion Earth attempts, due to which it changes its day and night like this. The third type of motion is vibratory motion. The to and fro motion of a body about its mean position, or we can say that the back and forth motion of a body about a fixed or a mean position. Here body will leave its mean position, but in a certain time it will pass from its mean position and repeats the same motion again. The example for vibratory motion can be the vibration of your mobile phone, which is very common example. The next example can be the motion of a spring. As you apply some force on the spring, a spring vibrates like back and forth motion. And one of the example for the vibratory motion can be the motion of a swing like that. The person having swing and moving with the swing about its mean position like that and that. Remember, the motion which is vibratory must repeat itself after a certain interval of time. So, at the end, I hope with this lecture you are going to get a clear concept about the difference of motion and rest and the different types of motion. Thank you from Qaeda Azam Rangers School and College, Nazamabad campus. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.